Rongebera na isano na isato chomutinyo yo rio lire ritkurio mwerio rio Okorikia Abaaki Chikura imense mokamishero wekiombe geterere tobo chori ne chimbe Professor Francis Odiambo ni garuru kuboria gochiase ABASAE kwera libaga rio wesokia na kweri kibuna Abaaki Chikura korengana ne kiombe kya ABC nigo giate osenigo giate ne giate beruna nigo ntikerigo chikomentari tuko nonya nerimo libaga rio nigo ligochia gutumekwa kwarigania obochori bore bosi obochori bo mwaka ogocha.
The registration is going to continue at Huduma centers for the next 5 months, and then also at the registration offices of IEBC. So those who will have not been able to register within the stipulated period can still go ahead and register. Questions about whether we can extend the period of ECVR by a few days, but that may be very difficult to achieve because IEBC is working under a very tight schedule as we approach elections 2027. Immediately after this, there are other activities that are already planned. A number of issues that we have taken home with us, for example, there is a strong feeling that IEBC should involve itself more with voter education at ground level, because very many people still do not understand fully what the ECVR